and Paulo Cruzada, both of you, please, both of you, just stop harassing Teacher May. Do not attack about saying, oh, both of you, you're saying about ISIS. Oh, you're saying about ISIS anyway. You're saying about, what does Paulo Cruzada says? Ako ang ISIS ng bayan. And Teacher Gina Sedjo says, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Sasabugin ko Metro Manila at Davao City and threatening to attack Teacher May. Oh, you know that ISIS is causing lots of troublemaker. Remember that, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. Teacher Gina Sedjo, I know you're a SPED teacher who was working there in Japan. You know, Teacher Gina Sedjo, do not start about terrorism. Roylan Marlang says to me, oh, stop promoting this kind of terrorism. Wag na puro kayo mga terorismo. Oh, you know, I do not want to promote terrorism. Gina Sedjo and Paulo Cruzada, how both of you have no mercy to Teacher May? Oh, look at Teacher May. I'm not accusing Teacher May, I want to describe Teacher May. Teacher May is already retired. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo. I've been talk with that with Sir Paulo Cua. I've been talk with that with my other friends in my old school. They said to me, oh, wala na po si Teacher May sa CDIFI. Hindi na siya natuturo. Retired na nga po siya. You know, it's really nonsense. I know this is what I'm gonna say to Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. Both of you should be ashamed to Teacher May. If Teacher May, I say again, when you watch a YouTube, and there was you, Paulo Cruzada, how imagine that Teacher May had made this YouTube of documentary of Teacher Evelyn. Oh, you see about Reese 825? That's a YouTube video of Teacher May. It wasn't mine. It's her own YouTube video. I watched her YouTube video. Oh. Even the closing program, even the Christmas party in 2013, there was Aisha. Oh, even there was Aries. Oh, Clemente. I always watch that. You know, for me, I don't want to judge everybody. Oh, like me, when I talk with Zach, oh, Zach, how are you? Oh, I said it when he was in the class with Teacher May last 2016. Oh, I talked with Zach. Oh, Zach and I were talking about what is it? Oh, we talk about anything what we say. Oh, you know, Zach is mocking me or teasing me or making fun. I always respect him. I do not judge him. When I judge a person, I do not judge him. Like you, Paulo Cruzada. When you judge Joseph Maspinas, what did you do? Like I said before, binato mo si Joseph Maspinas ng word ng sabugin, oo. That's why, for you, Paulo Cruzada, you're always prohibited to playing Roblox. And also, GTA. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. before I'm going to map this. You know the GTA and Roblox, Paulo Cruzada? It was already banned in the Philippines. If I want to tell the video game seller in Data Blitz, it has to prohibited to buy a GTA, na PS4 games or Xbox One game, even computer games. I don't want to play GTA. Oh, GTA is violence. They're all rampaging. Oh, like Carbilus is playing GTA. Roblox is really violence too. Oh, there was a planning doctrine about mass shooting incident when they want to destroy the school in Calabarzon. They have to be prohibited. Because you know, the Roblox, this is why for kids anyway have distress psychological. Like Miggy Labitag, my nephew, oh, he has to stop playing Roblox because his psychological distress when he was angry for playing Roblox. Oh, Roblox should be banned in the Philippines. Oh, that is your lesson to you, Paulo Cruzada. You should never play Roblox. You should never play GTA. It is better to you, Paulo Cruzada, when you play a computer games in PS4. Why can't you play Ghost of Tsushima? I was told by JD Biniegas. Why can't you just play Need for Speed? I was told by Lawrence Villawan. It's simple. Like me, I play Need for Speed in PS4. I unlock all the cars. I never play violence like GTA. I like cars. I like racing. Because I know I asked my dad, I want to buy Need for Speed. I want to see all the cars. Because me, I'm a car enthusiast. I like to play Need for Speed. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo. You know Gina Sedjo, The always want to realize, Gina Sedjo, why can't you start your own blog like JP Pinoy, who's working in Japan? Or you can start your blog. You can bring your son Jeffrey Asejo in Japan, like Kuya MA. Oh, you know Gina Asejo? You're a sped teacher in Japan? Have mercy anyway. Look at your eldest son, Kyle Asejo, even your daughter, Kresha Asejo. They're saying to you, ganyan ba ang nanay ko ang masama? For saying about she is really an ISIS and promoting terrorism. Remember, Gina Sedjo, if I ask Rafael Tiburcio, the nephew of Teacher May, to train airsoft shooting like Kiko Barsaga, he has to learn about close quarter combat. He will buy a pellet gun. He will protect Teacher May from Gina Sedjo and Paulo Cruzada. He will gunfight with Paulo Cruzada. Like I said before, kung barilan, like I said, magbarilan lang. Like I said, if I hire Josh Gozo to protect Teacher May's house in Cainta, Rizal, if there's Josh Gozo, he has a shotgun. Sabog ang muka ni Paulo Cruzada. At sabog ang muka ni Gina Sedjo. That's better. I know I contact with Sophia Abad Sultan and other spedmotics in Davao City. There were friends of J. Rick Silva and the Philippine Raptor Gang. Gina Sedjo, Paulo Cruzada, both of you should respect Teacher May. Respect her privacy. Do not invade her privacy. You know, there's a Data Privacy Act. Oh, when you invaded to the privacy of Teacher May. Teacher May is my teacher. Have you never heard about that she is my teacher? Oh, if I contact with my Spedmotics, with Alfred Deslabra and Jude Goles, even Jens Manaid, even Kenji Mantaring, make sure they need a barricade that Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo will not invade the Teacher May's house, or not to harass Teacher May in online like Messenger. Oh, remember, there's nothing you can say, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. Both of you are jealousy at Teacher May. How would I say Rafael is graduated in Ateneo? Oh. Both of you are jealousy. Inggit lang kayo. Oh. That's why. I mean, I'm not always jealousy at Cedric Mariano. Oh, I'm not jealousy at Teacher May about her nephew, Rafael. Oh. I'm not being jealousy. Here's the why I could say to Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo, or Teacher Jean. Both of you should never be jealous. Don't start to be a jealousy. If I say again, if Rafael Tiburcio has work, would you able to say he has a jealousy? Oh, you know, Teacher May, she always go to Taiwan with her family. I've been talk with Denzel Joshua. She always travels to Hong Kong with Teacher Marisa last 2013 alongside. Teacher May has traveled there in Taiwan with her family members. You know, Gina Sedjo and Paulo Cruzada, both of you are jealousy at Teacher May. Puro lang kayo inggit. That's why. Like I said before, I seen in the Facebook, Teacher May is traveling there in Taiwan. I'm not being jealous. She's been there in Taiwan. Me, I never been in Taiwan. Ate Hana, been there in Taiwan. Ate Ellen, been there in Taiwan. My friend, Crystal Dulce Jurado, Yvette, she also been there in Taiwan. Even Jens Manaid's parents, they also been in Taiwan. I asked, we never been in Taiwan. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, you went to Hong Kong, you went to Japan. Always. Like me, I've been traveling in Hong Kong 2007 until 2018. Macau 2009 until 2018. Shenzhen, China, I've been there 2011. Malaysia, Singapore, I've been there 2010 until 2014. Japan, many times I've been there in Japan since 2016. You don't have mercy to Teacher May that she goes to Taiwan. I know, Paulo Cruzada. Why can't you just shut up? Even you, Gina Sedjo. Both of you should stop jealousy at Teacher May. Teacher May always traveled there in Taiwan. Like me, I never been in Taiwan. I never tasted the pineapple and the candy that in Taiwan. I never tasted Taiwanese dish. During my birthday last year when I was in SM North, I tasted the Taiwanese restaurant. I taste Taiwanese. You see, I am a jealousy. Paulo Cruzada, you're a jealousy. Teacher Gina Sedjo. Puro kayo yabang. That's why.